Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha and I'm about to take you with me on my full new, not really new, wash day routine. So if you missed it, I just recently colored my hair and this is my first time having color on my curls. I've had color before, but it was on straight hair, so I'm learning all over again how to care for my curly hair with color in it. And basically, moisture is the goal. So I'm starting by using the shampoo from Fenty Hair, the Rich One moisturizing shampoo. If you didn't know that TJ Maxx and Marshalls carry Fenty products, their hair and beauty products, now you do. I got this bottle for $13 at TJ Maxx, but that was a sale. The regular price in there is $16.99, but that's still a steal because this retails for $30. They have the shampoo, the regular conditioner, the deep conditioner. I really wish they had the gel in there because that Fenty gel is really good. But these products alone, being almost half off, is good enough. I've used this shampoo before and I liked it. It gives a good lather and I like the consistency. It is a bit on the thicker side because it really does have a rich texture to it. Some shampoos can be kind of thin and a little bit on the watery side, but not this one, which I think helps with the lather and the cleanliness. So yeah, I always shampoo my hair twice and I shampoo the length of my hair as well, not just the scalp. I also use this scalp massager stimulator thingy. It really helps with getting all of the dirt and oil and product off of my scalp. It's also a little bit of an exfoliant because it's removing dead skin from my scalp as well, all while massaging my head, and it feels good. So I have found that a good cleanse is a really important foundation, especially with low porosity hair, because some products tend to sit on top of my strands or flake. So I've been alternating with the clarifying shampoo more recently, and I think it has made a difference in my curls. And now I'm just prepping my hair for deep conditioner. I like to do this in 4 sections and I never, ever, never skip deep conditioning. It's a part of my routine every single week. I don't care how long it takes, it's a non-negotiable. And the current deep conditioner I'm using is this Raw Sugar Mighty Curls Intensely Hydrating Hair Mask. Did y'all see how I caught that with my other hand? Don't you just hate when a whole drop of conditioner falls out of your hand in the shower and it's just sitting there on the floor and goes to waste? I was too hype. Anyways, it has papaya butter, which is new to me, and coconut oil and hemp seed oil. This is actually my first time using this product. Well, the jar is almost done. So, I mean, this is my first time buying it, and I've been liking it on my last few wash days. It has good slip. It smells good, but not too strong. I don't like super strong scents. And I don't have to use a lot to get the slip that I need and the moisture that I need in my hair. The consistency is perfect. So this ended up being an impulse last minute buy that I just picked up because Target didn't have any of my usual deep conditioners that I like to use. But I'm glad I tried something new, and it was all thanks to the new Targets that don't have anything that they're supposed to have. Have y'all noticed that? I have to go to the old Targets to get the real stuff that I need and the real good prices. Anyways, I twist my sections up after they're detangled and I let it sit in a plastic cap while I do the rest of my shower routine. And then I take each section out one at a time and rinse only that section. Starting with the first section I applied the conditioner in because it's been marinating the longest. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm doing my whole routine in the shower. I've been telling you guys how much I love shower wash and goes, so here it is. The whole reason I'm rinsing out one section at a time is because I'm about to style that section while the others are still soaking up the deep conditioner. And for my styler today, I'm using this Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel with kukui oil. And here's where it gets interesting. I started applying the gel to my section and it started to foam up, like it was getting white and foamy. So I thought I didn't rinse out all of my conditioner. So I went back under the water and I rinsed the section some more, really good, to get all of the conditioner out. And then I started to apply the gel once again, and the same thing happened. Like the product turned white and foamy. You can probably see it on my hands. So I was confused at this point because I'm like, I know I washed this dang conditioner out. What is going on? I'm like, is it the gel? Now, I've used this gel before and I absolutely loved it, but it's been a good minute since I last used it, at least 3 years ago. So I'm like, did something change? Am I crazy? So I go and wash it out again because I'm thinking this is not how gel behaves. I've never had this happen. It felt like I was applying mousse to my hair. It didn't even feel like a gel was on my hair. It was the weirdest thing ever. And as you can see, the consistency is thick, so I wouldn't expect this to foam up. It looks like a gel. It's not a gel to foam product, foam to gel product, whatever it's called. So I start applying the gel again and I was like, I know there's no shampoo or conditioner left in my hair at this point, so I'm gonna have to roll with it. It started foaming again, but I just had to keep going. Apparently, this is just how the product works. I should actually go back and watch my old video, the old review I did of this gel when I first bought it, because I absolutely don't remember this happening. But I also didn't do my hair in the shower before at that time, so I don't know if that had something to do with it. The jar says you can apply it to wet or damp hair, and I didn't even use a leave-in conditioner, so who knows. I just wanted the results to be good, and my curls were actually looking good as I was going, so I just accepted my fate. It was gonna be what it was gonna be, so I had to keep going to see what my results were gonna be. So I applied the gel to each section little by little. I loved the definition that I was seeing and the moisture I was getting. So yeah, and this is just one of the reasons I love shower wash and goes. If I wasn't in the shower, I would have kept having to dunk my head in the sink to re-rinse the product out. Having the water and the shower steam right there just makes the application so much easier. It's very convenient. My hair stays wet, so I'm using less product. And somehow I get this done quicker in the shower than outside the shower. So if you haven't tried a shower wash and go yet, try it. You won't be disappointed. And this is my hair with the gel applied to all of it. As you can see, there is no foam, no white residue left behind, and the curls are defined. So I probably just needed to have a little bit of patience, which I don't have. And then I just sat under my hooded dryer for about an hour for my hair to be mostly dry. And I will leave a link below to this dryer and some of the other products I used in this video. But go to TJ Maxx if you want that Fenty. Full price for what? And here I am, fully dried. Final results. I love how my hair turned out. The gel works just as beautifully as I remember from when I first got it, and I didn't even have to use a lot of it. I think it's perfect for my routine with colored hair because it didn't leave my hair crunchy, but it's still defined and moisturized. What more could a girl ask for? Anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!